Welcome to our factory, which is the production base of EPCB thermal oil boilers. Here, EPCB boiler workers are professionally trained and carefully assemble every boiler component to ensure the highest level of product quality and performance. Thermal oil boiler is an efficient and safe thermal energy conversion equipment, suitable for various industrial application scenarios, such as chemical industry, pharmaceutical. EPCB thermal oil boilers adopt advanced design and manufacturing processes and feature stable heat energy output, efficient heat energy conversion and reliable operating performance. At the same time, we also focus on product safety and environmental protection to ensure that customers have no worries during use. Boiler body, made of metal material. Combustion system, fuel is burned in the combustion chamber, producing heat. Thermal oil circulation system, thermal oil is pumped into the combustion chamber, absorbs heat and returns to circulate again. Control system, used to monitor and control the operation of the boiler. Auxiliary equipment, used to discharge waste gas generated by combustion. What follows is the debugging process of a skid-mounted thermal oil boiler under normal circumstances. The specific steps may be adjusted and supplemented according to specific circumstances and requirements. During the commissioning process, be sure to strictly abide by the relevant safety regulations and operating instructions. EPCB Boiler is always committed to providing customers with high-quality thermal oil boiler products and professional solutions. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or needs about our products or services, please feel free to contact us.